Hello everyone, let's now move further with this type of the hairstyle. Take the two strands from the two and fix them at the proper position using the rubber band. Tie the another rubber band from the lower portion and from the inner side pull them towards the outer one, so you can repeat the process in order to create this heart type of the look. Then you just have to make the two divisions of the hair. From the one side we are going to build it into the classical braid. Repeat this process for the another one. Roll them in a zigzag manner. Let's move towards this type of the hairstyle. Make a high ponytail. Then this type of the cool hair accessory is required for making it into the bun, and you can decorate with the fancy pin. Let's have a look for another type of the hairstyle. Take the two strands from the different ends and after that tie them at the proper position. Give them the internal twist as apparent on your screen. After that you just have to make the two divisions and tie them using the rubber band. We are just using the 4 rubber bands as apparent on your screens. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. After that you are going to just pull some of the hair from inner side towards the outer one. Then with the help of this type of the tool we are going to make this type of the cool trio type of the bun. It looks quite good and quite easy. You can definitely give it a try. Rest of the hair is to be converted into the braid and decorate with the pins. This one is again very cool hairstyle, best suitable for the long length hair. First take the two type of the strands and fix them at the proper position using the rubber band. Give the internal twist. Then you just have to go to bind some of the knotty type of the looks, and knots are so common that we usually make at home. This is so simple and so easy. You can definitely give this type of a look and it's so good and nice, and fix them at the proper position. Thank you for watching our videos.